random buzzing sound from audio in Windows 10 or 11 fix. So if you're having issues with some of the random sounds that you're receiving from your computer, maybe it's buzzing or something like that, there are a couple of ways to hopefully fix this. First of all, you want to simply go to your search bar and simply type in mmsys.cpl. So when you type in mmsys.cpl, you'll find this control panel item. You want to simply open it up. It will open up some of the sound settings. So right here you can see playback. Mine is currently set to speaker. If yours is set to headphone or anything, you want to simply go to this properties option right there, and you can try to check all the properties that it currently has right here and make sure it's updated. You can also go to recordings, sounds, and if you have changed any of these settings, I want you to simply restore them to the default values. So you can select that and select set default values. If you had happened to customize any of those settings, you can go to properties, go to levels, advanced, and here you can allow all of this and just try to test some of the sound settings that you might have. So hopefully this should be able to help you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.